how are you? I hope you are taking good care of yourself in these quarantine days. Today we are going to have a quick revision of chapter number 1, that is what is long and what is round. Students, I have already discussed that what are long objects and what are round objects. So can you please tell me that what are long and what are round? Yes. Now what are long objects? Long objects are the objects which are in horizontal line, or you can say they are straight. Or round objects are the objects which shapes like a circle. Now if I draw something like this, so can you tell me like what it is? It is long or it is round? Yes, it is a long. And if I say that I am drawing like this, so it is a round surface. Very good. Now let's move on to another topic, that is what can slide and what can roll. Students, I have told you that to know about what can slide and what can roll, we should know that what are flat surfaces and what are round surfaces, or you can say that what are curved surfaces. Flat surfaces are the surfaces which are a plain horizontal object. What I am saying, that flat surfaces are the surfaces which are having plain horizontal surface. And what are curved surfaces? Curved surfaces are the surfaces which are not having, yes, which are not having any flat surface. So if I call for this, if I say that this is a board, so can you please tell me that this is a flat surface or a curved surface? Yes, this surface is a plain horizontal. So what I will say, that this is a flat surface. But if I see the corners of the board, so can you see there is a curved point as there? Yes, so now you can say that this is a curved surface. To know better about the objects which are having flat surface and which are curved surface, it is being divided into two shapes, that is plane surfaces and solid surfaces. As I have already told you about plane surfaces and curved solid surfaces. So students, can you please tell me that what are plane surfaces? How many plane shapes we have studied? Yes, so first one is square. Second is rectangle. Very good. Those who are giving the answer, you will clap for yourself. Now third one is triangle. And fourth one is circle. Now students, now you know the plane shapes, but can you please tell me that what is the difference between square and rectangle? Yes, square is a shape which carries all equal sides. If I draw the shape of square, you can see that all the sides are equal. Okay, if I say that what is the shape of this rectangle, the rectangle is a shape whose opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal means either these two sides are equal or either these two sides are equal. Now next comes to triangle. Triangle is a shape which carries three sides. Okay, triangle. Tri means tricolor. I have already given an example of a tricolor, that why we say our flag is having tricolor. Why? Because it carries three colors, that is orange, white and green. Very good. So with that we can say that triangle. Tri means that the shape which having three sides. Now next is circle. Circle is the only shape which is not having any side. It is a round. Understood students? Now let's move on to solid shape. Can you please tell me what are solid shapes? solid shapes are the shapes which you can see in a 3D figure. 3D figure means that you can imagine them in a normal day-to-day life. So, can you please tell me that how many shapes we have studied? Yes, the first shape is cube. Second shape is cuboid. Okay. Now, the third shape is cylinder. Very good. Afterwards, what is the fourth shape? Fourth shape is a cone. And last one is a sphere. Now, can you please tell me, after seeing these shapes, that which can slide and which can roll? Very good. And can you also tell me that what objects are, what shapes are flat surfaces and which shape is having curved surface? Very good. So now let's have a quick revision of all these shapes also. So now first part. First is cube. First is cube. Can you please tell me that how many flat surfaces are there? How many flat surfaces are there? I am writing in a short form. How many flat surfaces are there? There are 6 flat surfaces. Can you tell me any curved surface in cube? Yes, there is no curved surface in cube. Now, can this object slide or roll? Yes, since it is a flat surface, so it can only slide. Students, clap for yourself, those who have given the correct answer. Yes, let's move on to another shape, that is cuboid. Very good. Now, next is cuboid. Cuboid is the shape which comes from a rectangle. Now, can you please tell me how many flat surfaces are there? Yes, there are also 6 flat surfaces are there. Can you please tell me that how many curved surfaces are there? Yes, how many curved surfaces are there? There are only 0 curved surface. Now, since the shape is having flat surface, so can it slide or roll? Very good. This will slide. Very good. Now, let's come to next shape, and that is cylinder. Now, you will answer. Cylinder. Can you please tell me that how many flat surfaces are there? How many flat surfaces are there? Yes, the top one and the bottom. So how many flat surface? 2 flat surface. And how many curved surface? Only 1. So how many curved surface? Only 1. Now students, can you tell me that can this shape slide or roll? Yes, it can both slide and roll. How come? Because the shape contains flat surface also and the shape contains curved surface also. So you can write that both. It will slide, it can slide also and it will roll also. Very good. Now let's come to next shape. That is yes, cone. Now, can you please tell me that how many flat surfaces are there? Only 1, the bottom one. Okay. Afterwards, how many curved surface? Only 1. Now, can it slide or roll? Yes, it can do both. Very good students, clap for yourself. Now let's come to last shape of the solid shapes, and this is very simple. Sphere. Now can you please tell me how many flat surfaces are there? No flat surface. Can you please tell me how many curved surface? Yes, one flat surface. Can it slide or roll? Yes, it can only roll. So students, this is all about chapter number 1, what is long and what is round. Now you can easily determine that what are long objects and what are round objects. Similarly, when it comes to plane shapes and solid shapes, so you can easily answer what are plane shapes. Plane shapes are of 4 types, that is square, rectangle, triangle and circle. And can you please tell me that how many solid shapes are there? Yes, first is cube, second cuboid, third cylinder, fourth cone and the last one is sphere. So with that you have easily got to know that what objects can slide and what objects can roll. Students, homework for you to do all the revision work that I am going to give you today. Okay, and you have to do it honestly, also without taking any help from your parents. Can you do this, students? Yes. So thank you so much and please subscribe and like the YouTube channel so that you can have the better update in the future lesson.